So I chose some containers. I'm planning of hanging these three, and I set the suitable pot for that. Now this is the stackable container that I am going to use for making a flower tower. That's some leftover soil from my garden, so I am going to use this, and I cut the rest pieces so that it can compost naturally. So you people ask me a lot that which soil do I use. So this is the Blumenerde, and it is for outer use and for indoors, outdoors and indoors. So you can use any kind of Blumenerde, and as I told you before, you use for potting the Blumenerde. You can grow anything in it. You can even get the tall fry variety, and if you want to grow your saplings indoors, then you should always use Anzugserde. I have less soil, so what I did was I used an empty container in between, because this place is already a dead spot, so there is nothing that is going to grow here. And these flowers, primula flowers, doesn't need so much soil to grow. So I am going to save some soil here. And now there are exactly 5 plants left, and only top floor I am going to do, and it will be done almost. So I cleaned here a bit, and this is how our plant tower look like. And these are the small small pots with flowers. Now it looks pretty cool, I think. One more thing, when you are making such kind of tower, you should arrange all the flowering plants in one direction, and so that it will look beautiful. So there are other plants, when they will flower, I am going to turn it a bit, and then it will look really very beautiful. So now there is only a small thing. I am going to water these flowers, and I am going to hang these two in my balcony. see, here are some kohlrabi or cabbage variety plants. This is green kohl, or in India I don't know what it is called. Kale in English it is called. And here are some strawberry plants. And in order to protect my plants from frost, I covered it with straw. So, and now this, in this decoration I can put candle, light a candle, and I can put it there. And now here are some more strawberry plants, and these are small windmills. This thing I love very much. Look how beautiful it looks. It has a bee and flowers, and it adds very beautiful color to my flower, and its movement is very lovely, and it's very beautiful. Then here are my herbs, and these are the walnut potatoes that I am trying to grow. Then here are some more kohlrabi plants and some more salad plants. You can see here, these are the salad plants. And this is a small addition where I can leave some water for the birds. Then there are some more small decorations that I did for window slit, and see how beautiful it is. Here is some coriander, strawberry again. So these are my vegetable plants that I am trying for this year for my vegetable garden. This is curry plant, and yeah, here are chili plants. Here are salad and other plants that I did for trial only. And I still have to sow more seeds, but let's see how it will turn out. So my friends, this is my balcony, and to me it's the best place in this world. And you see how beautiful it is. So we will meet again with a new topic and a new video, and I will show you more fun that I have in Germany. So we will meet again. Bye bye.